Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we have something truly unique and futuristic to show you: the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome. Ford has taken the iconic Mustang heritage and reimagined it in a way that blends power, luxury, and mobility like never before. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement on wheels. From its head-turning exterior to its state-of-the-art interior, this motorhome promises an experience that goes far beyond conventional travel. Asterisk. Looking at the exterior, the first thing that stands out is its bold design. Ford has retained the muscular Mustang identity, from the aggressive front grille to the sculpted side panels that give it a sleek yet imposing stance. LED headlights and dynamic taillights bring modern flair while ensuring excellent visibility during night drives. The motorhome's body is aerodynamically optimized, combining the iconic Mustang curves with practical elements like retractable awnings, roof storage, and easy-access compartments for long trips. The large alloy wheels not only add to the aesthetic appeal, but also provide stability and comfort on highways and off-road trails alike. Every line and contour feels purposeful, and the fusion of sports car DNA with motorhome functionality is executed remarkably well. Asterisk. Step inside, and the interior is nothing short of spectacular. Ford has leveraged premium materials, including soft touch panels, leather seating, and ambient LED lighting, creating an inviting atmosphere. The driver's cockpit is inspired by the Mustang's iconic dashboard, now upgraded with a futuristic digital cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system, and advanced driver assistance features. The living area is intelligently designed to maximize space and comfort. It features a fully equipped kitchenette with modern appliances, a compact dining area that converts into additional sleeping space, and cleverly concealed storage solutions. The sleeping quarters offer a cozy private retreat, while the motorhome also includes a compact bathroom with a shower, ensuring that you never compromise on convenience, no matter where the road takes you. Asterisk. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome surprises with its engine and drivetrain options. Under the hood, Ford offers a range of powerful turbocharged and hybrid engines that deliver impressive acceleration, fuel efficiency, and torque for hauling this luxurious vehicle. The suspension is tuned to balance comfort and agility, making highway cruising smooth while also being capable of handling winding roads or lightly rough terrains. Advanced safety and stability technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and electronic stability control, ensure that both driving and parking this large vehicle remain effortless. The handling is surprisingly responsive for a motorhome of this size, giving drivers confidence on long journeys. Asterisk. As for pricing, the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome sits in the premium segment, reflecting its combination of performance, luxury, and innovative design. Depending on the trim and optional features, prices are expected to start around $160,000 and can go up significantly with fully loaded packages, including advanced tech, upgraded interiors, and enhanced powertrain options. Considering what you get, a mobile luxury home, fused with Mustang performance, the value proposition is compelling for enthusiasts who want the thrill of driving a Mustang while enjoying the freedom of a motorhome lifestyle. Asterisk. In conclusion, the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is a bold statement in automotive innovation. It redefines what a motorhome can be, blending iconic sports car styling with practical luxury and powerful performance.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more in-depth reviews of the cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility.